Hello everyone, my name is Jayant Sharma and today I am going to present one of the poem that is The Voice of the Rain. The Voice of the Rain is written by Walt Whitman. Now in this poem, the very first stanza, "And who art thou? Said I to the soft falling shower, which is strange to tell, gave me an answer, as here translated." Now, poet is asking this question to the soft falling shower, that is rain. He asked the question to the rain, and it is strange because rain cannot give the answer. But here, as in this poem, Walt Whitman shows that he asked the question to the soft falling shower, and that is a strange, very strange thing that gave me an answer. And here we cannot understand the language of the rain, but poet has translated it in a very simple language. So here the translation of the rain's voice. That's why the poem is written here, The Voice of the Rain. Rain says, "I am the poem of earth," said the voice of the rain. Now the poem of earth, as the rain says that I am the poem, because it's a rhythmic way. You will find that when the soft falling shower it touches the earth or sometimes the shade, then whatever the sound it is produced, that is called the voice of the rain, or that is the poem of earth. Eternal I rise, impalpable, out of the land and the bottomless sea. Rain says that eternal I rise, impalpable. So impalpable means that cannot be touched. So here in this poem, the rain says that I am impalpable, I cannot be touched. And you will find that the water cycle, which has been taught to you in the previous classes, so you will find that the rain cycle here, out of the land and the bottomless sea, as the water evaporates from the land and the bottomless sea, that is impalpable, that cannot be touched, that cannot be seen even, but it happens. Upward to heaven. So this water vapors, when it moves or evaporation takes place, then from the land or from the bottomless sea. Upward to heaven, when hence vaguely formed, altogether changed and yet the same. So rain tells that how I originate, or what is the origin place of mine, that is the land or the bottomless sea. From that I move upward to heaven, heaven that is sky. When hence vaguely formed, vaguely, that is not clear, that cannot be seen even, but the water vapors, the evaporation takes place, and the water vapors which are formed here altogether changed, means the water, the liquid form changes into the gas form, and yet the same, and it remains the same. I descend to lave the dots. I descend means I come down, as this whole process, water from the body, from the land, from the bottomless sea, the water evaporates, then condensation that takes place, and then once again when the rain drops falls on the surface of the earth. So I descend means I come back to lave, to clear the dots. Dots means that is the dryness, atomies, dust layer of the globe. When it rains, you will find that each and everything becomes fresh again. It seems that rain has washed away all the dirt, all the dust layers, and all the dryness, and all that in them without me were seeds only, latent, unborn. All that in them without me. Here the poet wants to convey all that in them without me were seeds. The seeds are latent one. Latent means hidden, or they are unborn, because you will find that before the rain, when it rains, then only the seeds which are hidden in the soil, they sprout. So without me means without the rainfall, without the soft falling shower, these seeds are latent one. They are unborn, or they are hidden in the dust or in the soil. But when it rains, then they sprout. And forever, by day and night, I give back life to my own origin. And forever, by day and night, we cannot see this whole process, but rain, it tells that the whole process is continuing day and night. I give back life to my own origin. What is the origin of the rain? That is the land or the bottomless sea. So it gives the life back to its own origin, that is earth, that the land. When it rains, then you will find that everywhere it's green, and the latent seeds or the hidden seeds, they sprout. This is the last lines. These are the last lines of the poem. These are in the bracket because once again the poet, he says that what exactly the rain performs its work, and it is unseen. The people, they cannot see this whole process, but it is continuing. For song, issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment, wandering, ragged or unragged, duly with love returns. The rain is like a song issuing from its birthplace. The origin place is the earth or the land, bottomless sea. After fulfillment, after completing its whole chain, wandering, this is the whole process. Wandering means here moving from one place to the other place. Ragged or unragged means it is noticed or unnoticed. So we sometimes notice the soft falling shower, we sometimes observe how the rain falls, but some people, they don't notice. Whether it is noticed or not noticed, duly with love returns. I come back to my own origin, the place from where it started its journey, and coming back to the same place. Thank you so much.